Hey guys, so this is what I do in the mornings as a meal replacement with my Techui. I am going to mix about 2 to 4 ounces of my V8 and I'm just going to pour it in this water bottle, and then I'm going to open 2 capsules of my Techui. As you can see, it's going low because my husband takes it as well. I'm going to open 2 of my capsules and I'm going to pour it in this bottle along with the V8. Just a second. Probably about 2 ounces of the I am still here, just a second. So, there you have it. That's my Techui and my V8. Just shake it up. And then I drink this. Make sure it's all nice and dissolved. Then after I take this, I have my Delgado coffee. And that's it for breakfast. That's pretty much it. Thank you guys for watching.